Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Nan.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
How old are you? How old are you? I'm okay. Are you a boy or a girl?
Good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you study?
I study ABC Local Center.
Okay, who's this?
It's a teacher.
What's this?
Piano.
What's this?
Seesaw.
What's this?
Swing.
What's this?
Sandbox.
Very good. How do you feel?
Happy.
How do you feel?
Hungry.
How do you feel?
Scared.
Are you hot?
Zippy.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you hot?
I am.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Okay, can you count how many fish are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22,
21,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
very good. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.